Hello everyone. TCS has officially announced All India NQT hiring for 2024, 2025 and 2026 batches. And this time, the package goes up to 12.26 LPA under Prime Cadre. Let me explain everything clearly in simple words. First, who can apply? Candidates from 2026, 2025 and 2024 batches are eligible. Both freshers and candidates with up to 2 years of experience can apply. UG and PG students are eligible. Now let's talk about the most important part, salary. Under Prime Cadre, for 0 to 1 year experience, UG candidates will get around 9.09 to 9.30 LPA. PG candidates will get around 11.59 to 11.80 LPA. For 1 to 2 years experience, UG candidates can get 9.45 to 9.66 LPA. PG candidates can get 12.05 to 12.26 LPA. Under Digital Cadre, for 0 to 1 year experience, UG candidates will get around 7.09 to 7.30 LPA. PG candidates will get around 7.39 to 7.60 LPA. For 1 to 2 years experience, UG candidates will get 7.50 to 7.72 LPA. PG candidates will get 7.82 to 8.04 LPA. Please note, the final CTC depends on experience and job location. Now let's look at important dates. Registration started on 18th February 2026. Last date to register is 20th March 2026. Test date starts from 10th March 2026 onwards. Do not wait until the last date. Apply early. Now how to apply? Step 1. Go to the TCS NextStep portal. Step 2. Register under the IT category. Step 3. Click on Apply for Drive. This step is mandatory. Step 4. Select the skill you want to be evaluated on. Step 5. Choose 3 preferred test centers. Step 6. Select 3 preferred job cities. Step 7. Check your application status. It should show Applied for Drive. Important warning. TCS does not ask for any money. They do not send job offers from Gmail or Yahoo accounts. All communication will come through official TCS ION channels. Keep all your academic documents ready for interview. If you are serious about getting into TCS Prime or Digital Cadre, apply immediately. Comment below which batch you belong to, 2024, 2025 or 2026, and I will guide you with preparation strategy in the next video. And don't forget to subscribe for more genuine job updates.